Today, I'm going to share with you Mercedes G500. I'm going to change the lift support, the hood strut. I have received the parts and this is the hood strut. First, we're going to pop open the hood. This is the hood strut. As you can see, it should stay at one place. If I push it all the way up, it stays there for a while, then it starts falling again. There is one tip I want to share with you that many people, they put a wooden stick. I would not compromise with the safety because safety is most important. These hood on G-Wagon, they are very heavy, and once they fall, you can get hurt yourself. And if I can leave it and you can hear the sound, it stays there, and once it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. You heard that. It's a solid metal. So I'm going to replace it, and only 1 minute job. Let me show you. So I will open it again. I'm going to close in. You will see how easily we can change it ourselves. This is the hood support we have. In other words, we call it hood strut. It's locked in here, one side, and the second side, if we look at the bottom, it's right here. In order to open it, you need a straight screwdriver, and smaller the better. So we're going to open this one, and I will show you on the newer one. This is the cutout. We're going to put the screwdriver and we're going to push this one back, just like this. And as you can see, it slides out. This is the bolt comes with it. You can use these, but I'm not going to use these. I'm going to discard it. I have original OEM Mercedes. If you have a broken one, then definitely change it. So I would suggest keep it the same one. And now the same scenario. We're going to remove it just like that, the way I show it to you. Just push it. See, it goes on the back. Now we can slide this out like this. We're going to push it. Comes out. If you have a second person, then do it. Or if you don't have a second person, then I'll show you how you can do it yourself. Now this is the new one. As you've seen, I show you to push the clip back. And I'm going to put it in just like this. Then we're going to press it like this. Once you press it, it goes inside. And as for the clip, you push it. It's going to come inside and it locks in. And now if we try to take it out, it's not going to come out because it locks in. And let me show you on the other side. This is the wooden stick I put it here, and which I was mentioning, please don't use shortcuts. You don't want to play with the safety. The hood can stay open. Now the second one, we're going to do the same thing. Once you push it out, and this one comes out. So this is the new one, the straight screwdriver, and we're going to push the clip back. This bolt will come out. So this is the new one. We're going to align it. It goes inside. Push the clip back. And you heard that little click. And now we have our new struts. This is very important. You can see a round shaped hole. And this is the one. Bolt goes inside and it stays in there. The way it does, we open this lock on the back. We bring it down like this and it locks in. It comes inside. What it does, it locks the bolt in place so it does not move. Put a straight screwdriver, just push it back. So you've seen it. It's so easy and simple. Please don't use a shortcut with your life. These shortcuts are always helpful, but it can be dangerous. So safety is #1 priority. If your mechanism starts to fail, please change it to the new one. There is another tip I wanted to share with you. The question you guys going to ask, how should I put this one? Which is the right side, top or bottom? You can put it this way or you can put it this way. Quite frankly, it does not make a difference. The way factory does it, the bigger side, they keep it on top, and when later on alive people changing it, they just change it upside down. This side is the correct orientation or this side. It don't make any difference. But I would suggest do it this way. I'll provide the part number under my description, so please check it out. And if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye. After replacing the hood strut, lift support, and I'll show you. Once I open it, you just open this much. Now it automatically kicks in. In order to close it, now I have to apply a force to pull it down.